Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials so the search works. Make sure the lost Android is powered, charged above 10%, and has network access. Sign into your Google account on a second device or computer because you'll use that session to query the device. Once logged in, open Android. com/find or the Find My Device app and allow location permission if prompted. This lets Google communicate with the phone and display its position on the map, so you can proceed immediately. Once the map loads, check the reported location and refresh to improve accuracy. GPS fixes can take seconds to minutes depending on signal. If it's nearby, tap Ring to force maximum volume for 5 minutes so you can trace it by sound. This works even when silent is on. If you suspect theft or need time, choose Secure Device to lock the screen and show a contact message, which prevents access while keeping the phone trackable and preserving data integrity. If you can't retrieve it or it's compromised, erase device wipes personal data remotely. Do this only if recovery is unlikely because it also disables further location tracking. Once you have the phone, sign back into your Google account, confirm your backups restored, and remove the old device from your account list. If the phone shows offline, be patient and check recent Google activity. If you suspect theft, record the EMA and report to police. These steps close the loop whether you recover or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.